Hello, Noemi. Good to see you. Can you tell me how do you find product target for PPC ads? So the strategy that you're talking about, it's called product targeting. There are ways you can do this with software. The tool that we're using quite often in our agency, it's called Helium 10. Now with the Helium 10 tool, what you can do, you can look into the step-by-step process is going to be look for one specific keyword, describe exactly your product with the highest intent search volume. For that keyword, all the products that are ranking organically and or via are going to showcase on the first page. And what we are doing is we're using Helium 10 to take all those products, and then we're applying the next filter, which is where do we have against these products? Do we have a better price? Do we have better images? Do we sell FBA and they sell FBM? So then we're going to go through that second filter, and we are trying to nail this down to 10 to 20 products and then add all those within their own campaign. That is strategy one with the tool. A second strategy for which you don't need a tool, you would do the exact same process. You're going to take your highest search volume keyword that is highly relevant to your product. And what you're going to do then is you're going to click within that first product that is showing up on top of search. And then once that you've done that, you're going to navigate down to where it says other sponsored products. Go look manually to what other products might be a good fit that I could have advantage when it comes down to pricing, coupon strategy, creatives, FBA versus FBM. Then you manually open up all those products and copy the ASIN. The first one is more robotic, but the second one, I also would suggest you to go through this exercise because sometimes you're going to find even more and better products if you're going to do via the manual route.